everyone. So today I have got an exciting video. I have got the Profusion advent calendar to unbox for you. Now this is normally £30, but at the minute it is £22.50 and it is a 25-day advent calendar. And how Christmassy does this look? It is so pretty. If you love a bit of pink, you love a bit of Christmas, you know, you're getting the Christmassy vibes and everything, and it's feeling very like a sturdy advent calendar. This works out at 90p a day at the price I paid, which is the £22.50, but I mean it'll still be quite budget friendly even at £30. Yeah, we're going to unbox this. I'm very excited about this one. I normally really like this one, and at 90p a day, which is our cheapest price per day that we've unboxed up to now, I'm very excited. So we're going to just get into unboxing this advent calendar. So it is a open door design like this, and its boxes, it's not perforated lines. Oh my god, thank you. I'm so excited to unbox this. So in anyways 90p, I'm just trying to make sure I'm in the frame, 90p per day. Let's see what we're getting for 90p per day. So we went day number 1. I'm loving the design of this advent calendar this year, I really am. Wrapped in tissue as well. Day number 1, we have got the Profusion Blush and Highlight Duo. Now this, to be honest, looks very similar to what we've gotten in previous years. The colour, in any ways, it looks very shimmery, but it looks so pretty. I mean, you can't deny that doesn't look like such a pretty blush and highlighter. You're kind of getting 2 products in one for 90p. So we want day number 2, which is here. Feels light. Let's have a look. Doesn't want to unwrap. We have got the most prettiest little sparkling lip topper. I feel like we've had something similar to this before and all. Oh, that is so pretty. That is a day number 2. And day number 3, which is this one up here. What have we got? I'm guessing an eyeliner by the shape. It's like a funny shape. Yeah, we have got the like eyeliner, black eyeliner. I'm not going to open this because if you don't know, I do an advent calendar giveaway in October and in November with items from these advent calendars, and I make handmade ones for you guys. So yes, definitely subscribe if you haven't and follow my Instagram, which is linked down below. So that was day number 3. We went to day number 4, which is here. We're going to have some fallen boxes. It's heavy, this one. It's heavier. Oh, maybe a setting mist. Yes, we have got the Profusion setting spray. It is a gripping setting spray. Should we have a go of it? I'd love trying a setting spray if you haven't tell. You can't tell. It just feels very wet. No scent to it. If it does have a scent, I can't. Like, it's not a heavy scent, but obviously, what do you think? I don't know. I can't really tell if it makes it things set longer right now. That was day number 4, but it was nice enough. We want day number 5, which is here. We have got a little size lip liner, I think it is. I can't really see. Actually isn't telling you what it is. I'm assuming it's a lip liner. This is it, yeah. I actually like the size of this. I think it's a nice size so you can put it in your bag for going out. And I can't remember the last time I used a full lip liner. I don't really wear lip products on my lips, to be honest. That was day number 5. We're on day number 6, which is up here. It's light. Lots of tissue. Oh, this is pretty. We have got another blusher, but this is like just all like a marbly type effect blusher. That is pretty. Really pretty. It will be shimmery though. You see, that's so pretty. Absolutely stunning. That was, what day were you, mate? day number 6. So we went to day number 7, which is this little one here. Oh, this is something different. We don't think we've gotten this in any of the calendars. This is the banana setting powder, and this is in very much like the Revolution type packaging too, of this like over packaging. Not actually, to be honest, it's not my favourite packaging for this type, like for a powder. If I'm being 100% honest, it's the most awkwardest powder packaging for a powder, but I mean, I'm excited about it. It's something different. I don't get on well with banana setting powders. I might at the minute, I'm a bit more tan, but normally I'm very pale. So normally banana setting powders are too dark for me. But actually I'm tanned at the minute, so maybe that would work for me at the minute. Maybe. So day number 8, which is here, we have got something wrapped in tissue again. We have got the Hydrating Lip Gloss in this like nude pink, mauve pinky sort of shade. Very nice. I've got a million and one products like that, unfortunately, so I'd rather keep it unswatched so somebody get use out of it. So that is day number 8. We're into day number 9, which is down here. That one didn't want to come out. Didn't want to come out at all. Wrapped in tissue. I love that, mind you. It's a nice little touch. We've got another lip gloss, and this is a lip plumper, but I'm not the biggest fan of like pigmented lip plumpers. This is quite a pigmented shade, as you can see. It's like quite pigmented. I'm not really a big fan of pigmented lips unless it's matte. Like this is a Pat McGrath one, but it's like shimmery and it's thrown me off. I like a matte pigmented, but yeah, that looks nice enough. But yeah, I love a lip plumper, but I think it looks a bit too pigmented for me. But that was day number 9, and it's a full-size product, you know, a really good product. Like day number 10 in any ways. Because I've got so many products, I've unboxed Advent calendars for a long time. I've got so many products, I hate stuff going to waste. So I'm very cautious on what I swatch and what I don't swatch, because I'd rather get a use from someone else. But anyways, day number 10, let's have a look. Wrapped in tissue again. We have got a brow gel now. I normally love the brow gel from the Profusion Advent calendars. It's normally quite like good. The little brush looks really good and all, like really good. So, you know, we normally get this in the Profusion one every year, the Revolution one, but I normally prefer the Profusion formula to the Revolution one. So that's day number 10. We're on day number 11. It's down here. What have we got here? It's looking like another lip product. I feel like we're very lip heavy if it is. No, we have got an illuminating liquid highlighter. Let's have a look at what type of applicator it is. Oh, it's like a doe. Like a doe foot applicator. Okay. Oh my god, that is a lot. Just the tiniest dab, and look how much came out. Oh, this is giving me iconic London vibes. Look at that. Like on your collarbone. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. I would probably not use that on my face, but I would probably put that along my collarbone. And oh yes, yes, that is day number 11. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Went to day number 12, which is this little skinny one here. We have got a moisturising lip mask. I had really bad chapped lips the other week, and I used like a moisturising lip mask, and it worked wonders. I never was much of a fan of these things. I used to think, what's the point? It worked wonders. So yeah, that will be going in the drawer probably for that type of emergency. So that was day number 12. We went to day number 13, which is this square one here. Wrapped in tissue again, and we have got, I'm assuming this is meant to be a bronzer or a highlighter. I think it's a highlighter. Yeah, that's a highlighter, isn't it? Oh, it says bronzer on the packaging actually. I think that's a highlighty bronzer then. for sure. But that is it there. That is so pretty. Honestly, that is so pretty on another level. That is day number 13. We're on day number 14, which is here. What's it? What for you? We have got the multi-use jelly shimmer stick. Wow, look at that. Yeah. That will be staying away from me because I have not got the youthful skin for that. That looks so pretty though. That is day number 14. We're going to day number 15, which is down here. What have we got? Oh, it is a lip scrub. Oh, that smells so nice. So nice, like peachy, I think. So that is a lip scrub. That's something different. I like that day. That was 15. Went day number 16, which is here. We have got a liquid blusher. Oh, okay. I'll have a look at this. It's been ages, you know, since I've used like a cream blush, and I liked cream blushes. Oh god, this is shimmery, I think. I liked cream brushes before they were a thing. So this is it, yeah. It's metallic. It is definitely metallic, but it looks pretty. I don't think it's got much pigment. I would say that's just more like, I would use that under foundation. Give my skin a glow. It's definitely not got much pigment in it. Really nice though, like in person it's really nice, not showing up with the light and that. That was 16. So we went day number 17, which is here. It's a big one. For some reason I keep thinking maybe a loofah, and I don't know why I'm thinking a loofah. For this massive box we've got the little powdery puffs that I like. I mean, I'm happy with that. I like that type of product. But wow, that was a big box for that little product. But I know, like, they're making things fit, aren't they? That's what they're doing. So that was 17. Day number 18, which is right near it. We have got a lip bar. Oh, I love the packaging of this as well. I feel like it's very trendy, this like packaging of this. I really like the packaging on that. Practical product, everyday useful product. That was day number 18. Went to day number 19. 19. Here we go. We're gonna have a drop. Gotta remember, this is 90 pence. 90 pence a day as well. This is a brush, I think. No, it's not. It is a cosmetic shadow stick. Absolutely lovely shade this is. I've got multiple sticks like this, like from Laura Mercier and stuff like that, but these are so nice to be like a one and done on your eye. Granted, I can't tell you what the formula is like, but I do like that type of product. And that is 19. And day number 20, which is this one here. This is heavy. What are you? It's a fragrance. We have got the Winter Mist Hair and Body Mist. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Let's have a little smell. You know. Oh, that's so nice. I wouldn't say that's wintry though. That is so nice. Oh, yeah. Thank you. I will have that. Really nice. I love stuff like that because I use them for work as well. So that's 20. We're day number 21, which is here. And you know I love perfume. I was absolutely gutted that I didn't get the Look Fantastic perfume advent calendar last year. Absolutely good. We have got a Profusion glitter eyeliner. Let's have a look at this. I love products like this. Oh, can you see? Look at that. Oh, I'm very happy with that. I don't know where you can see that. Yeah, that is lovely. Thank you. That is really nice. That was day number 21. A glitter eyeliner. Really, really happy with that. So we're on day number 22, which is up here. We have got our first lip product. I will say this feels very cheap. Feels very much like in the range of the cheaper Technic ones or the Sunkissed calendars. Lipstick. Compared to the rest of the products, this feels like more childlike, in my opinion. So yeah, the product itself could be really good, but I've got a million lipsticks. I will not be so. That was 22. We want 23, which is here. We've got something tiny and little. We have got a little eyeshadow brush. I love this actually. I need a brush like this that's little when I'm traveling. I haven't got like a little blending brush. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. That is 23, sorry. 23. I didn't miss 22, did I? Because no, I didn't. Because I have done that in the past. 23 we've done, so now we're on to 24. Very light. We have got a little mascara. So this will be just like a tiny cheapy standard like type brush. I will not open this because it will just go to waste. I will end up putting that along somewhere else. We are the other. So that was 24. We're on 25, which is our last day. The big box, very light. It's our last day. I'm assuming probably an eyeshadow palette. And this is it, yeah. Oh, it's quite pretty. It's actually got a weight to it. It looks kind of cheapy looking, but it's actually got quite a weight to it. Yeah, that is it there. That is our 25th day. We got 25 products in this advent calendar. That is really pretty. That purple there. So pretty. So that is it. That is that advent calendar. I actually really like this one. You've got to remember, this is working out at 90 pence a day. 90 pence a day. That is so good. Especially for the age range Profusion's aimed at. Like, I feel like Profusion, Revolution, Technic, Sunkissed, all them brands are aimed at a similar sort of age range. And obviously we all dip our toes and use a couple of their products as well, like from the lines. But at 90 pence a day, I think this is one to get, you know, like at the minute. I mean, even at the £30, it would work out not much more. But at the price it is at the minute, this is definitely one to get. Like, I definitely think it is. The only thing I would say I was disappointed in was the mascara, because I know what type of mascara that's going to be, just from unboxing lots of advent calendars over the years. But yeah, I think it's a good one. I think the packaging's a win. I think the design is a win because they're boxes, so you could reuse it if you wanted to, and it's easy to open. Yeah, I really like this one. I think this is definitely one of the ones that I would recommend. Definitely. So yeah, I 100% recommend this one. I think it's a good one. If you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe down below and follow my Instagram, which is always linked down below, and I will see you all in my next advent calendar. I've still got quite a few to unbox, so I will see you later. Bye.